Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can use other people's videos the legitimate way and make thousands of dollars every single month without spending a single dime. No ads, no paid traffic, no campaign creation. If you're a beginner just starting, just looking for a way to make money online, this is going to be one of the best ways for you to start making money online starting today, because it is very easy, 100% beginners friendly, no prior experience required, no technical skills required, and even a 14-year-old kid can do this. And I'm going to show you step by step how to do this, how to use other people's videos and start getting paid. And not just getting paid like in hundreds of dollars, actually getting paid in thousands of dollars. One of the members just made $13,000 in commissions in a couple of days doing this, absolutely free of charge, while sitting on his hospital bed. Yes, he was injured, he was in hospital, he was looking for a way to make money online. He didn't know what to do. He came across this platform, he started doing it, and in just a couple of days he made $13,000 without having to spend a single dime, and he used that money to pay the bills for his hospital. So I'm going to show you how to do this and how anyone can do this starting today. Now, if you don't know me, my name is Luqman Memi. I have been in this business for over 12 years. I have helped thousands of people make money online. I am one of the 1% top super affiliates on the internet, generated multiple 6 and 7 figures online, crushed so many leaderboards. So if you do follow my training and take my recommendation, I promise your life is never going to be the same again. So let's get into this video. Now, before watching my video, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button. Make sure you click the share button, share this video. Make sure you leave a comment for me. And make sure you give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated. So let's dive into this video. Okay, so if you come onto TikTok, you can see on TikTok people are getting millions and millions of views. Now imagine getting paid for every 1,000 views. We're not talking about affiliate marketing here. We're not talking about selling your own product, your own system. That's extra income that's going to come into your bank account. We are talking about getting paid per 1,000 views. We're not even talking about the monetization method that TikTok is going to allow you to have, including the other social media platforms. We are talking someone else paying you per 1,000 views. Now check this out. Look at this video. 3.5 million views. 16 million views. Okay. 16 million divided by 1,000. How much is that? You can do the math. Okay. Now imagine if someone was just paying $2 per 1,000 views. How much money can this person make from that person? Alright. Check this out. 240,000, 1.1 million, okay? And I could just go down and see 1.7 million, 3.6 million. You get the idea. TikTok and Shorts, YouTube Shorts, are getting not views in thousands, not hundreds of thousands, in millions. Now imagine you can take a video, upload it to your account the legitimate way, and get paid per 1,000 views. Some of these people are paying up to $5 per 1,000 views. Now, if just say this was one of the videos where you're going to get paid per 1,000 views, 3.6 million views. Just doing the math, how much you're going to get paid. Okay, that's how this one guy made over $13,000 in a couple of days using other people's videos. Alright, so what do you do? What do you do with the videos? You take the video, that's step one. Number two, you clip it with using a software which you're going to find online, and you can find it for free as well. Number three, you're going to upload it to your TikTok account or to your YouTube Shorts. And because YouTube Shorts are hot right now, TikTok is hot, you're going to get thousands and millions of views. And then for every 1,000 views, you get paid. Some are going to pay you $1, some are going to pay you $2, some are going to pay you $3, some are even going to pay you $5. You might be asking, where should I get these videos from? Are you telling me I should take the videos from TikTok, YouTube, download it to my computer and edit it and then re-upload it? No. You don't want to do that. Okay, what did I say? I'm going to show you a method on how to do this the legitimate way. Can you remember the word the legitimate? Yeah? That means no more downloading other people's videos directly from YouTube and TikTok. No. I'm going to show you the legitimate way to do this. Take someone's video and re-upload it. And by the way, if you do take someone's video directly from social media, how are you going to get paid? Alright? You're not going to get paid. I'm going to show you a platform which is allowing you to reuse videos. In fact, these people are giving you the videos and telling you, upload this video and I'm going to pay you for every 1,000 views. That's called the legitimate way. So let's get into this. Okay, before I dive into showing you the legitimate way of getting someone else's video, uploading it to your social media accounts, and getting paid per thousands and thousands of views, let me just share my ClickBank Success Academy course with 1,784 students. You can see here, there's a deal going on right now. Take the next step in your career. Courses from £11.99. This is reflecting British pounds because I'm based in UK. Ends on 22nd May. This course is worth $497, okay? You're getting it for a fraction. It's ending on 22nd May, which is only one or 2 days left, okay? You got a chance to get your hands on this course, alright? What you're going to learn. Gain the skill to select profitable, mobile-friendly and trial offers. Learn how to select high-ticket ClickBank offers to promote that pays $500 per sale. How to build a massive list. Create high-converting lead capture pages using free and paid tools. Learn the skill to boost your traffic campaign performance by using simply optimizing method and keyword tracking, plus direct linking method revealed. You're going to learn all this, my friend. Okay? And you're going to get all of this. You've got a chance to get your hands on this. Don't wait till tomorrow. Tomorrow never comes. Okay? This is a discount price that you're getting, which is not going to be available for long. So get your hands on this right now. There's only 2 days left, okay, before the discount ends. I'm going to have the link for this in my description box below this video. I'm also going to pop it up into my video as well. You could open up a new browser, go to this website address that's popping up right on the screen. Okay, just go there and get this. So let's get back into it. Videos, millions of views, taking someone else's video the legitimate way. What you want to do, you want to go to a website called hoop.com. Create your account, it's free, okay? And once you create your account, okay, you're going to see something just like this. Can you see? Okay. On the left hand side, just hover your mouse. If you don't understand anything what this is all about, just hover your mouse. And then it'll tell you homepage, search, discover, messages, notification, etc. etc. Okay. What you want to do is you want to go to this page here, discover. Okay, and then you're going to find all of this, all these videos. Check this out. This has got 998,000 views. Okay, this has got 414,000 views. Now you're going to find two types. One is clipping, one is UGC. Clipping means taking the video and just clip it, make it into a short, and then uploading it. UGC means where you will have to show your face, okay, to do the video and actually talk about the video, etc. etc. We're going to stick to clipping, okay? We don't want to go into UGC unless you're comfortable with comment. Then you're going to see all this, okay? Person, brand, intermediate products, music, logo, others. Just keep it to all, okay? And then you're going to find this. Check this out. CPI clipping, okay? This person is going to pay you $3 for every 1,000 view, right? He has a budget to pay out, and that is $101,197.43. That's what he's willing to pay for his video. So far, he's paid out $1,911.40. That's how much he has paid out. Okay? This video has got 415,949 views. Okay? You have a chance to take this video, clip it, alright, and start earning money. $3 per 1,000 views. Now, some videos go viral, alright? So imagine you uploaded this video and this video went viral after 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or within 24 hours. It just went viral. And suddenly you got 50,000 views. Okay? So 3 times 50, that's just $150 in a single day. Okay? And then some video just go viral after viral after viral. Alright? Now, which platform is he allowing? Okay? So first, what we need to do is click on this. Let's just click on this first. Okay? So we could see what this is all about. 100K budget, $3 per 1,000 view for clipping. Click for Institute. Make clip for CPR, post on social media and get paid. Join. First you need to join, alright? But remember that. Without joining you can't do anything. So join. Chat in real time and connect with other members of our community. What this is all about is explaining. Okay? And then content reward, announcement, etc. etc. New view profile, etc. So he has so much stuff here. So you first need to join. Alright? And then once you have joined, then you can take this video and clip it. What you need to do is, there's 2 ways to find clipping softwares. First is Google. Go to Google. Software to clip a video. Several free and paid software are available. Clip here. There you go. You could see all this. You could find so many softwares and video tools down here that's going to do the heavy lifting for you. Okay. He's allowing the clipped video to be uploaded on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. Alright. Now you might be asking, why does he want to pay me this much money? Alright. To brand himself, to build an authority, because if he uses paid traffic to do this, it's going to cost him a lot of money. $8, $9 per 1,000 views. He's getting it done for cheap. He's asking people, do this favor, take my video, upload it, and I'm going to pay you for every 1,000 views. That way, he's branding himself, he's building an authority in the marketplace, he's advertising what he needs, and he's getting thousands of members into what he wants people to join in. Okay, same here. You can see this unlimited budget. Okay, so for $89 paid out of 30,000, and this guy's allowing X as well. Let's just come here. He's paying. Okay, this guy, build wealth together. What this is all about. Let's just see. There is an investing app where you copy the investment strategies of people you trust, whether they are expert, data-driven strategies. Of course, join 21,000 people. Okay, so he's advertising this app, and he's willing to pay you up to $1.50 for using his video. Okay, so you need to keep searching and looking for people that you want to join. Okay, let's just look into some more here. You could see people are paying some. The max I am seeing right now is about, there you go, check this out, $5 per 1,000 views. His budget is $7,481. So far paid $1,000. What is this? Let's just check this out. Okay, what this guy is, 3.2 million subscribers, estimated revenue $4.9 million. Alright, let's just go back. Okay, let's see if I could come down and let me just see what this is all about. Okay, Unspeakable is a famous YouTuber with 40 million subscribers. Recently, he has launched an online program helping creators grow called Blueprint University. 1,000 in already. Here's what you will get: content reward, chat in real time, blueprint, education, etc., etc. Okay, and then you can just join this. So what you want to do, you want to click on here, join. Okay, and when you join this, he will either approve you or not. Whatever he does, once he approves you, you will be able to come back here and start to actually, what just happened there? Alright, then you will just able to come back and start taking the video and start uploading it to your social media accounts. Okay, so you get the idea. This is the legitimate way to take someone's video. You're actually going to get paid from real people paying you up to $5 per 1,000 views. Okay, now don't expect to become wealthy and rich overnight by just doing a couple of videos. You need to be consistent when you do these type of things. Every single day, find videos, good videos based on your channel, take it, get approved, start uploading it, and start crushing it online. Now, if you want to make money like this, check this out. You need to go to this website address here that you're seeing on the screen. Internet Boosting Crusher Program, man. This is a program where you learn and earn together. Okay, you're gonna get some of the insider secrets of making money online that's not revealed anywhere else. Right? Plus you get paid 100% commission. Plus you get a done for you business in a box. Plus you get resell rights. Plus you get a done for you all the digital business components that you will need to reach the skies. Okay, you can make this type of money as well. It's just about the right mindset, believing in yourself, and taking the first step towards financial freedom. So what are you waiting for? If you are ready to crush it online, have your own 100% profitable digital online business given to you on a silver platter, where you can earn 100% profit while learning and earning together, solve all your problems permanently, including traffic, you need to go to this website address here right now. Join now, not tomorrow, not 1 week after, now. Join now, and I promise your life is never going to be the same again. Once again, thank you for watching my video. Hopefully I will see you in the next video.